the Vizcacha. These members of the chinchilla family are hardy mountain specialists. Way up here, sunbathing is more lifesaver than luxury, raising their body temperatures, but snoozing in the sun can be a perilous pastime. On the prowl, an Andean cat. Of South America's rarest feline species, numbering 1,000 or less. Twice the size of his domestic cousins, he's protected from bitter cold by dense fur, almost 5 centimetres long. But a cat still needs fresh meat for fuel. Even when dozing, those 6 centimetre ears are tuned in to signs of trouble. He knows he'll get another chance, and this unique cat, so perfectly adapted, would overheat in warmer conditions. But for now, the Andean cat continues to enjoy its top-of-the-world life.